One of my favorite things about FIRST is the creativity. Even though every team has the same problem, there are a million possible ways to solve it.
My favorite part about robotics is the relationships. I've met people and made so many friends that I never would have been able to otherwise.
My favorite thing about FIRST is the opportunities that come from working with professionals, other teams, and even my own teammates.
One of my favorite parts about FIRST is the real-world skills you gain from the program.
We are T5040.
That's our favorite thing about FGC.